India is not on the list of the 75 countries facing visa suspension. But if you think that means you're safe, you definitely need to watch this video. The reality is, when the US shuts the door or pauses visa processing for half the world to conduct a review, the ripple effects from extreme vetting to massive processing delays are about to hit everyone. Even if your passport is safe, your timeline may not be. Here is exactly how this order impacts you. Let's look at the facts. The reports demonstrate that the Trump administration is suspending immigrant visas for nationals from 75 countries. The goal is to review security protocols. Now, the good news for many of our viewers is that India is not on that list. But in immigration law, as you know, everything is connected. One thing impacts another. So, if you think about it, the US government has finite resources. When they are told by the Trump government, the Trump administration, to conduct a massive, comprehensive review of security procedures for 75 countries, manpower has to shift. So, those government staff who process routine H-1B stamping or EB-1A petitions may be retasked to handle these reviews. This means longer waits for interview slots at consulates in places like Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, and slower movement on pending petitions. So the Trump administration has explicitly stated they want the highest level of screening and vetting. Even if you aren't from a suspended country, the standard of proof is rising. You should expect uh, more requests for documentation than usual, longer, more grilling interviews, and additional financial security. They are looking for potential reasons to say no or pause. So your application needs to be bulletproof. And anytime there is a major executive action in immigration, it creates anxiety. I get that. Officers at the border and the officers at the consulate, the USCIS officers may act more conservatively. However, uncertainty is the enemy of immigration planning. If you are an engineer planning for an EB-1A visa, this is not the time to wing it. The vibe right now is enforcement first, and that attitude often bleeds into every intersection, even for routine cases. So, what should you do? First, apply early. Don't wait for the last minute to apply for an extension or a renewal. Two, over document. If they ask for 3 documents, give them 5. Third, stay calm but alert. Don't panic, but don't assume business as usual either. Finally, if you are an engineer looking to navigate these choppy visa waters and you want to secure your EB-1A green card, we can assist in preparing a strong case such that it will withstand this extra scrutiny. Check the link in the description to get in touch. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest immigration and visa updates. See you in the next video.